So this is a charter captain that we do all the maintenance for his boats and any kind of upgrades he's wanting to do to his boats. This is his Albemarle. We installed a DF60 horsepower Suzuki 4-stroke motor. He's using it as a kicker. He's got 2 Yanmar diesels in there, and so to kind of keep hours off the diesels, the more expensive engines, he went and put a Suzuki kicker on there. So we actually reinforced the transom, did a bunch of glass work there just so that it has some more bite. We also hooked up hydraulic steering to it as well. That ties into the existing hydraulic steering for his Yanmars. So it's one steering wheel. He turns the Yanmars one way, the Suzuki engine's going the same way.
Hey folks, we'll get back to the main video in just a moment, but I wanted to take a second to let you know that if you're looking for exhaust components for your Crusader marine engine, then you need to check out Marine Parts Source. We are Crusader experts. We've got components for all the different pieces of the engine, including the exhaust system. We've got manifolds, risers, elbows, whatever you need. And if you need help identifying the correct equipment for your engine or troubleshooting your Crusader engine, our guys are Crusader experts. So just give us a call at this number. You can always find us online at marinepartssource.com.
We had to add a permanent fuel tank. We had a custom fuel tank made through a company here in Michigan, aluminum 28-gallon tank. And he originally had a Western Beak generator in there, which he didn't use the generator at all. He really doesn't use any AC power while underway on charters. So he said, why don't we just take that generator out and we can put the fuel tank there. There is a bulkhead that actually separates where the fuel tank and the generator used to be from the engines. So what we did, with it being a gasoline engine, we rehabbed the blower system in there. We also got a gasoline fume detector, which ties into the blowers. So if the sniffer smells any gasoline fumes, it'll automatically kick on all the blowers in the boat. It's just a safety feature we added in it. Where diesel engines, they're not as stringent with ignition protection on certain components. And so we wanted to make sure that this vessel was safe with adding this kicker motor in with the fuel tank. We went through and cleaned up all his bonding connections, rewired all his bonding connections to help prevent corrosion. Up at the dash, we have the gasoline fume detector monitor. We also put some instrumentation for his kicker motor up there. We put a tachometer, basically a tach alarm essentially, so it'll code and flash lights if there's like low oil pressure or overheat, things of that nature. We added a fuel gauge form as well, along with a troll mode switch on this as well, so he's using it for trolling, so he can do fine-tune adjustments with the engine RPMs while underway. We made a hidden side mount controls. The issue with this was the spot we wanted to put it in was too narrow for the side mount control backing. So we actually fabricated an enclosure for it to add some depth to it, so that we could fit it all back there. Pretty much wrapping it up, that's about all the upgrades and modifications we did to this, and I think it's going to save him a lot of hours and time off his Yanmars and put it on the Suzuki. If you guys have any specialty work that needs done or fun projects, you can reach us at our information below. And if you found this video interesting, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.